Hey y'all, in today's video, I will be reviewing this straight 30-inch wig that I received from Ashimary hair. This is their 13x6 full lace frontal wig. The unit came pre-bleached, pre-plucked, and pre-cut as well. Since this unit already came pre-customized, I'm getting straight to the install process. But first, I'm going to clip the hair towards the back so it doesn't get in the way. To lay my lace down today, I'm going in with the Bold Hold Active Glue, and I'm applying 2 layers of that glue. I'm using my foldable fan to help dry the glue until it is nice and tacky. So when it comes to laying my lace down, I like to make sure that I lay my lace down in sections. And the first section I start off with is the middle section, and then I lay the 2 sides down. I'm adding more glue to the air tabs area for a better hold and longevity as well. The lace on this unit was pretty long, so I'm going back in to cut the air tabs area and adjust it to my head. I'm going over the top of this lace with the Bedhead Masterpiece spray to make sure that the lace is fully glued down and to help the lace last longer as well. And I'm using my blow dryer on a medium heat setting for this process. Now it's time to blend the lace. I'm going in with the Ruby Kisses Cream Foundation in the color Level 15. And this product will really help you to get your lace to look very natural and to look like scalp. I'm putting my elastic band on, and I'm also going in with my blow dryer on the hottest heat setting to melt my lace down. I do this step for about 5 minutes, and then I keep my elastic band on after using the blow dryer for about 10 minutes. But you want to keep your elastic band on as long as you possibly can to really get that melted lace look. For this style, I will be doing a basic middle part, and I love how deep this parting space is. This is a 6-inch parting space. The parting spaces that are this deep always gives off a natural look to me. To get the foundation of my wig nice and flat, I'm going in with the Care Care wax stick. Then I'm gonna go in with a firm brush and my blow dryer on the hottest heat setting. I love doing this step because it really gives me a nice flat foundation before I even go in with my hot comb. It just makes the process 10 times easier. To get the super flat install look, I like to part my hair on each side and then hot comb in sections. I'm using the Cheese Silk Infusion Serum to give my wig a smooth and silky type of look. Now I'm just using my flat iron to straighten and style this wig. I'm going in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Fawn to enhance my parting space. For this style, I've decided to go for the no baby hair type of look, and then I pulled out a little bit of sideburns, but I'm not going to style it with any gel or mousse. Lastly, I'm just touching up my hair and I'm going back over this wig with my hot comb just to make sure that everything is nice and flat. So here is the final look of this unit, and I love the end results. I feel like this unit came out looking so clean and classy, especially with the no baby hair look. The lace itself was very good. I feel like the fact that it blended so well with my skin tone, it played a really big part in that natural wig type of look. This unit is 30 inches. It's definitely true to length, and the hair itself was just super soft. I was able to run my fingers through it effortlessly. I do wish that this unit was a little thicker as far as the density, and the front of the hair is pretty short compared to the rest of the hair. But other than that, overall, I do love the quality of the hair. Here's a little close-up of this unit. I'm really glad that I did not add baby hairs. And even if I was to add baby hairs, I'd probably do like a small little swoop on the side. But this unit did not need baby hairs at all. All in all, I am very impressed with this Ashimary wig, especially the quality of their lace. I love the fact that it is a 13x6 full lace frontal wig. And I also love the fact that this unit already came pre-bleached, pre-plucked, and pre-cut. So if you want to go for that natural, classy, long wig type of look, you should definitely look into Ashimary hair. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you stay tuned for my next video.